Hello, my wonderful family. I am your AJ. I welcome you to your channel. Friends, imagine forgetting where you place your keys, struggling to recall names, or finding it hard to focus on tasks. Ever felt like you or a loved one are starting to forget things a bit too often? These could be signs of mild cognitive impairment. In this eye-opening video, we will dive deep into the world of mild cognitive impairment or MCI, a condition that's often misunderstood. Get ready to be empowered with knowledge that could make all the difference. Stick around and learn the science, causes, diagnostic criteria, and even the best ways to manage MCI. Plus, stay tuned for an engaging quiz at the end to test your newfound knowledge. So let's get started. We are exploring everything you need to know about mild cognitive impairment, and you will learn what is MCI, signs and symptoms, causes of MCI, diagnostic criteria for MCI, the age and gender specific patterns associated with mild cognitive impairment, effective treatment plans and daily practices. Caregiver support tips with practical examples. Make sure to watch until the end for a quiz to see how much you have learned. So first you have to understand what is MCI. So let's break it down. Mild means minor or slightly. Cognitive means thinking, and impairment means loss. It means minor thinking loss. It is a condition that lies between the expected cognitive decline of normal aging and the more severe decline of dementia. Individuals with MCI experience a noticeable decline in their memory, thinking, and problem-solving abilities. But these changes are not severe enough to significantly interfere with their daily life and independence. Now understand the signs and symptoms of MCI. MCI can manifest in various ways. Frequently forgetting important events, appointments, or conversations. For example, misplacing items more often or struggling to recall names and dates. Difficulty finding the right words during conversations or following along with stories. Trouble focusing or maintaining attention on tasks. This might look like losing your train of thought or becoming easily distracted. Making poor decisions or having trouble with planning and problem solving skills. Now, what causes of MCI? The causes of MCI can be diverse and sometimes overlapping. Age-related changes. As we age, our brain naturally undergo changes that can impact cognitive function. Vascular issues, problems like strokes or restricted blood flow to the brain. Mental health conditions, depression or anxiety can heighten the risk of cognitive impairment. Medical conditions such as diabetes, hypertension can increase the risk. Neurological factors, brain disease like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease may lead to MCI. And other lifestyle factors, unhealthy lifestyle choices like poor diet, lack of physical activity, and smoking can contribute to cognitive decline. How is MCI diagnosed? The diagnosis of MCI typically involves a comprehensive evaluation by a healthcare professional such as a neurologist or a psychiatrist. The diagnostic criteria for MCI include patient history. Detailed medical and family history would be taken at first. Cognitive testing, standardized tests such as the mini mental state examination, brain imaging techniques like MRI or CT scans to detect structural anomalies, lab test, blood test to rule out vitamin deficiencies or thyroid problems. Now have a look on age and gender criteria for MCI. MCI can occur at any age, but it is more commonly diagnosed in older adults, typically those over the age of 65. The prevalence of MCI increases with age, with estimates ranging from 10 to 20% in individuals aged 65 and older. While MCI can affect both men and women, some studies have suggested that women may be slightly more prone to developing the condition, particularly in the later stages of life. Treatment and daily practices for MCI. The treatment approach for MCI typically involves a combination of lifestyle modifications and in some cases medication. Some of the effective treatment plans and daily practices include medication, cholinesterase inhibitors and other drugs prescribed under medical guidance, healthy diet, consuming a Mediterranean diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains and healthy fats, physical activity, regular exercise like walking, swimming or aerobics, mental exercises, engaging in puzzles, reading and learning new skills, sleep hygiene, ensuring sufficient sleep each night to bolster cognitive function, practicing stress management techniques such as meditation or mindfulness, maintaining an active social life and engaging in social activities. Now comes an amazing section, that is tips for caregiver support. Caregivers play a crucial role in supporting their loved one with MCI. Create routine. Establish a consistent daily routine to help them to manage tasks and reduce confusion. Use memory aids. Use the tools like calendars, notes and alarms can assist in remembering important tasks to them. Encouragement and patience. Offer positive reinforcement and be patient, understanding that cognitive changes can be frustrating. Healthy lifestyle promotion. Encourage them to healthy eating, regular exercise and mental stimulation activities. Before we wrap up, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you have absorbed. So here is the first question. What is a common symptom of MCI? Severe physical weakness, memory loss, acute pain. Which diet is beneficial for those with MCI? Mediterranean diet, fast food diet, keto diet. What's one important role of caregivers? Managing finances, establishing routines, traveling a lot. Comment your answer below. If you want to see more content on mental wellness, check out my previous videos and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, understanding MCI is the first step towards better management and support. Take care and see you in the next one.